Dear students, today we are going to talk about simple past tense. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to form a simple past and when to use a simple past. Let's get started. How to form a simple past. The simple past tense in regular verbs is formed by adding d or ed to the base form of a verb, like score, scored, watch, watched, memorize, memorized. In irregular verb, the simple past tense forms vary from one verb to another and must therefore be memorized. For example, sleep, slept, run, ran, sit, sat, and eat, ate. Now how to form the negative form? To form the negative with the simple past tense, you have to add not after verb to be, which is in the simple past tense, was and were. Or you must add did not before the base form of other verbs. With I, he, she, and it, you have to use was. And if it is the negative form, so you must write was not. So I, he, she, it was not angry. With you, we, they, we say or we use verb to be were. So you, we, they were not angry. If we don't have verb be and we have a base form of the verb, then we must use did and not with the main verb or with the action verb with I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. So they did not watch the movie. Now how to form the question form? To form a question with a simple past tense, you have to reverse the subject and verb be. With other verbs, insert did before the subject and change the main verb to base form. For example, I was angry. Here we changed or we reversed the subject and the verb, so it becomes was I angry or was he angry? In the second example, you were angry. We reversed the subject and verb be, so it becomes were you angry? If we have a main verb, like in this sentence, the main verb or the action verb is watch, we use did to form the question form with I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. So we say, did they watch the movie? When to use the simple past tense? We use the simple past tense with an action that started and ended at a particular time in the past. The crowd watched the game last week. We visited our grandparents last weekend. So here we used watched and visited in the simple past tense and examine that we added ed to both of the verbs because we used last week and last weekend. We use the simple past tense with time expressions such as yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, or in 2018. Yesterday, my favorite team played its first game. Last week, my favorite team won the championship. So here we added ed to the verb, and here we added or we changed the verb into the past won because it is an irregular verb. Enjoy studying!